Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope you are well. Welcome to our class. Now I will start our lesson 1, Reading and Interpreting Pie Chart. Before we continue our lesson, I need to review for all of you about bar graph and line graph. We can list animal with bar graph or line graph. Example, we have 5 dogs and we can list like this, and 7 cows, 2 tigers, and 6 cats. We can list like bar graph and line graph. Okay, now check any object in your house. Find the number of each object which you have in your own house. Make a pie chart to show the information. Okay, this example I give it to you about object in your house. We have 3 computers, 3 TV, 10 chairs, and 4 tables. We can list like our picture. Okay, when you know about it, what is the pie chart that I show a picture for you already? Now we continue to our definition. A pie chart is a circle graph where each part of the circle is proportional to the quantity to it represents. Okay, now open textbook on page 58. About 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, while the remaining surface is covered by land. This information can be represented in the table. Okay, represent the data in the table as the pie chart. Water 70%, land 30%. If the surface that gives you only water 70%, so we got that 100 minus 70% equals 30%. It is we call land. So if we want to know about that, the whole of the circle represent is we got the water is 70% plus with 30% equal 100%. Okay, now we continue our example 2. Textbook, open textbook on page 58. The pie chart shows the percentage of the boy in the class. What is the percentage of the class are girl? Okay, now we have boy 42% and we find the percentage of the girl. Okay, you know that the total of the pie chart is equal 100%. So we need to find the percentage of the girl. Okay, so we got that 100 minus the percentage of the boy equal 100% minus 42% equal 58. Okay, so there are 58 of the girl in the class. Okay, now we start our classwork. The pie chart shows the percentage of the animals, bird, fish, and reptiles in a zoo. What are the percentage of the fish? Okay, you know, for the whole pie chart equal 100%. So we got 100% minus 15%, minus 15%, and minus 40%. And we got the percentage of fish. Okay, now we continue our classwork 2. The pie chart shows the number of the students in each color which they like. Which color was the most popular? Okay, you can look at the pie chart. The color is the light, then the other is the pink. Okay, which is the least popular? you can look at the pie chart. Is the color is the smallest. Okay, how many students altogether? We need to plus together, like yellow plus with red plus with pink and plus with blue. Okay, so we can do the classwork by yourself. Okay, now we continue to our note, and you must be remember the total percentage around the pie chart is 1%. If you see the data on the pie chart are fraction, you have to change all the fractions to be the same denominator before you read or interpret that chart. Okay, try your best. Thank you for your pay attention.